This is one of the most requested videos from my Instagram audience so far. I've promised you it's coming in my previous episodes and finally it's here. So I really hope you are as excited as I am. I'll try not to bore you too much and go straight to the key points of this topic. Let's find out how to master your SEO and get discovered on YouTube. Hello, it's Marcelina here. Welcome to Alter to Native. On this channel, we learn all about creativity, creating content, self-development and running a YouTube channel, which are generally my favorite things to talk about. Today's episode will be all about SEO on YouTube, how to master it and get discovered, which is essentially the most important thing, especially if you are a beginner YouTuber like me. If people are not seeing your videos, you won't be able to grow because no one will be able to watch and engage with your content. Some creators argue that SEO, which stands for Search Engine Optimization, is not as dominant anymore as it used to be. However, if you are starting from 0 subscribers, it's basically the fastest way to get some traction onto your channel. I'm growing my channel with SEO at the moment and comparing it with my Polish YouTube channel, which I started 2 years ago. This English one is going even a little bit better, bearing in mind that I already had some subscribers on my Polish channel when I was starting out, and an engaged audience on Instagram, which I transferred to YouTube. And that was not possible with this channel because most of my Instagram followers are from Poland and they don't like watching YouTube in English. Anyways, SEO is very important in my opinion, so let's take a closer look at how to master it. SEO allows you to appear under certain search terms. If somebody has a problem, he will go onto the internet and search for a specific word or a phrase describing his problem to find the best solution as quickly as possible. Therefore, your job is to position yourself as one of the first results he will find. This is especially useful on platforms such as YouTube, which works like a search engine. SEO aims at targeting those specific words or phrases called keywords, which I'm going to talk about in more detail in the next chapters, in the most accurate way. If you know how to do that, it doesn't matter how many subscribers or views your video already has, it's going to rank in search. In other words, if you optimize your video properly, you will get views, and that's what we want, right? Why is this so important on YouTube? Because YouTube is the second most visited site in the world after Google, and like I've just mentioned, it's also a search engine. So don't treat it like any other social media platform. On YouTube, it's more about optimizing your content rather than posting content. This explains why 2 videos on the same topic of the same quality can have completely different results. One of the main reasons being how they are optimized for search. So how to optimize your YouTube videos for search? Make sure they appear under specific keywords. Let's take a look at how to find the best ones. Finding the best keywords for your videos is essential to rank in search. There's one easy way to help you with that, and I recommend using TubeBuddy, which I've been testing on my Polish YouTube channel for almost 2 years now. TubeBuddy is a plugin for Google Chrome, and in my opinion, it's worth investing in its paid pro version. I've purchased mine with a 50% off discount code for YouTubers under 1,000 subscribers, and it was less than $15 a year. And by the way, I'm not sponsored by them. All you gotta do is to download TubeBuddy and add it as a Chrome extension. How to do that I've already shown in one of my previous episodes about writing YouTube video titles that get clicks, to which I leave the link over here and in the description below. So, the fastest way to find the best keywords is to go through your YouTube video tags. Tags used to play a much greater role in ranking in search. However, nowadays, as we can read in YouTube Studio guidelines, they are used for misspellings. Okay, The first step is to upload your video. I'm gonna use a random file as an example, and we're gonna find the best keywords for this video I'm currently recording. Give your video a relevant title. My episode is about mastering YouTube SEO, so that's exactly what I'm gonna type in. Next, scroll down to the recommended tags window and click on Keyword Score. TubeBuddy is going to show you the highest ranking keywords for your video based on the information from your title. We are always aiming for those at the top with the green highest numbers, like this SEO YouTube video 2022, which is an amazing keyword to rank. How does TubeBuddy rank those videos? It's looking at the volume of people who are searching for it and also at the competition. So how many videos are already there on this topic? We can see that last year the competition was low, but the search volume was high. So we've got a great keyword. Select 3 to 5 keywords that are relevant to your video. Next, we can try with different titles to look for more keywords. So I'm gonna go back to the title, type in YouTube SEO 2023, scroll down again to recommended tags and click on refresh scores, then keyword search, and I have more ranking and relevant keywords. What's also important is that TubeBuddy recommends tags especially for your channel. So it analyzes your performance and content you've published so far. And that helps it to show you the best personalized keywords. Once you are happy with your keywords, let's move on to the next step. Remember to always include your keywords in those 3 places: title, description, and the tags window. Firstly, go back to the tags window and copy all of the keywords you've already found. Click on the icon to copy all, and then paste in the description box by using Command+V shortcut on your keyboard. Now you can optimize your YouTube video title by adding keywords there. And finally, try to use all the keywords in your description by transforming them into sentences so they make sense. Look how I've changed my description. Everything is perfectly optimized now and ready to go. If you found my video because I ranked in your search, please leave the thumbs up so I know if my efforts actually worked. And also, if you like my content, I will be more than grateful if you subscribe to my channel. Lastly, I've got 2 bonus SEO tips for you. To optimize even better and get discovered even faster on YouTube, do those things. Try to say a keyword from your video title in your video as much as possible without it sounding weird or forced. And name your video file with your title before uploading. That name will be visible only to you, and you can check it in the YouTube Studio, video details, and under file name on the right side. You see, YouTube algorithms are analyzing everything related to your video to understand what it is about and to whom it is for. Therefore, the easier you will make this task for them, the faster they are gonna find the right audience for you. And perfectly matching audience means growth, because people will want to watch videos they are interested in. All of those tips will definitely help you to get more visibility on YouTube with your upcoming videos. But what about those already published? How do you check if they rank in search? Go to your YouTube Studio and click on Details. Next, scroll down to the tags window. If there's a green number next to the tag, it means that your video is appearing under this search term. And how does it actually rank in search? Don't worry if there are no green numbers at the beginning. If you are only getting started, like me, they might appear once your channel gets more traction. Let me show you an example on my Polish channel. If I take a well-performing video, you can see now how many tags have a great ranking. This time we are aiming for number 1, not 100 like we did with recommended tags. Of course, if you don't see any greens, it doesn't mean that your video will never rank, because it can over the time when you get more views overall. It's still very important to optimize for search, so go through your videos to see if there's a chance to rank. You can change your title, add something to your description and wait. Be patient because it might take a few weeks, but trust me, it will get you better results over time. And that's all for today, my friends. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.